All right, everybody, welcome back to the show. We're going deep on the AI profit machine today.
Sounds exciting.
It does, right?
Right.
I mean, who doesn't want to turn AI into a profit machine for their business?
Yeah, that's the dream.
Exactly. And there's a new tool on the market claiming to do just that, and we're going to see if it lives up to the hype.
You're right.
So we're looking at a review here from digitalaihub.
Oh, yeah, they're good.
They really dig deep into these tools, and for this one, they went all out. So
Okay, so what are we looking at?
we're going to figure out what this AI profit machine actually does,
Mm-hmm.
how easy it is to use. Is it really as simple as they say?
Right, because they always say that.
They always do. And then the most important thing, is it actually worth the money?
Especially
For someone with your experience, you know.
Exactly. Yeah, I've seen it all.
You've been around the block.
So many tools.
So many tools that promise the world and then
Don't deliver.
don't deliver. Yeah, so let's get into it. This AI profit machine, it's being marketed as like an all-in-one solution, right? For online businesses, it covers market analysis, content creation, e-commerce integration.
Whoa.
It's a lot, right?
It's a lot to promise.
It is, and we see a lot of AI tools out there that are like specialized, you know.
Right, just focus on one thing.
Yeah, like they'll do your SEO or they'll write your blog posts, but this one's trying to do it all.
Interesting.
So it's ambitious.
It is very ambitious.
Yeah.
So how does it all work?
Well, according to the Digital AI Hub review, they've got this 3 simple steps process, which immediately...
3 simple steps.
I know, right? It's like, come on, is it really that simple?
What are the steps?
So it's setup,
Okay.
automation, and profit generation.
Uh-huh. So you just set it up, it does its thing, and then money just rolls in.
That's what they're saying.
Okay. I'm skeptical, but let's break it down.
Yeah, let's do it. So setup seems pretty straightforward, at least from what the review said.
Okay.
But the automation part, you know, even though it says automation, it doesn't mean you just like
Right. You can't just leave it.
set it and forget it.
Exactly. You still need to have a strategy.
You need to know what you're doing.
Yeah, AI is a tool.
It's not a magic bullet.
Right.
And speaking of strategy, this tool, it's got AI-driven market analysis.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so it's supposed to like analyze the market for you
Yeah.
and tell you what's hot.
Huh. So you don't even have to do your own research.
That's what they're claiming.
Hmm.
But I don't know about that.
I'm a little
I'm
skeptical.
a little skeptical too.
Yeah. I mean, can AI really replace good old-fashioned market research?
That's the question, isn't it?
It is.
Because like you were saying, AI is a tool. It can help you, but it's not going to replace you.
Right.
It can analyze a lot of data really quickly.
Yeah, way faster than we ever could.
But it's still using algorithms and past trends to make predictions. And, you know, the market changes constantly.
Like, at the time, yeah.
So you still need your own experience.
Your own knowledge of your niche.
To interpret those AI insights.
Right, and to make sure you're not missing something.
Exactly. You got to use your brain.
Yeah.
You got to use your brain.
Oh.
So, okay, market analysis, that's one thing. But the feature that I was really interested in,
Oh, yeah. Tell me.
automated content creation.
Oh, wow.
I know, right? Imagine like never having to write another blog post again.
That would be amazing.
Or social media updates or anything.
Sign me up.
But the question is, like, how good is the content?
Yeah, is it just generic junk?
Right, because anybody can just like spin articles and stuff.
Yeah, we want quality.
We'll want quality content. And the review from Digital AI Hub, they said that the content creation was actually surprisingly good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they said it was user-friendly
Okay.
and the content was decent.
Interesting.
But like with any AI-generated content, you got to review it.
Right.
You got to edit it. You got to make sure it sounds like...
Make sure it's on brand.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's probably not going to win you any Pulitzer Prizes,
Probably not.
but it could definitely save you a lot of time.
That's the main thing.
And time is money.
Time is money, exactly.
Yeah. So content creation is covered. But what about the actual marketing?
Right. Can this AI actually run campaigns for you?
That's the big question.
That's the big one, yeah.
And according to the review, it does have features for ad campaign management
Okay.
and email marketing.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, we don't know how much control you actually have.
All right, like, can you tweak things?
Yeah. Can you adjust the AI's decisions, or are you basically just letting it do its own thing?
And hoping for the best.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's a big deal, especially for someone like you who's got a lot of marketing experience.
Absolutely. I'm not going to just hand over my entire strategy to an AI.
Yeah, you want to be in the driver's seat.
Exactly.
So that's something to think about, for sure. And then the last piece of this puzzle is the e-commerce integration.
Oh, right.
Which is huge if you're selling stuff online.
Huge, yeah.
Because this AI, it can potentially handle like inventory management, order fulfillment, even some basic customer service.
Wow, so it's like a whole virtual assistant.
Yeah, it's like having a whole team working for you 24/7.
Right. That would free up so much time.
I know, right? You could focus on the big picture stuff.
Like
And
strategy,
growing your business.
coming up with new ideas.
Exactly. So we've covered a lot. Is this AI profit machine the real deal?
That's the million-dollar question.
It is. So based on what we've seen in the Digital AI Hub review, it seems like it could be a really powerful tool.
Okay.
But for who?
Yeah, who is this for?
Right. So I think it's best for experienced entrepreneurs,
Okay.
people who already know marketing.
They have a strategy.
Exactly. They have a strategy. They know what they're doing. They just want something to
Help them streamline.
yeah, to make their life easier.
Take some of the busy work off their plate.
Exactly. But the price tag,
Oof. Yeah, that's a big one.
it's not cheap.
It's an investment.
It is. So you got to weigh the pros and cons.
Definitely.
Because even though AI can do a lot of the heavy lifting,
You still need to know what you're doing.
you can't just rely on it completely.
AI is a tool.
It's not a magic solution.
That's what we keep saying.
We keep saying it, and it's true.
It's true.
But it does make you think, though, right?
About what?
If these AI tools keep getting better and better, what skills are going to be most valuable in the future?
Yeah, what do entrepreneurs and marketers need to learn?
What do they need to focus on?
That's a big question.
It's a big question, and I don't have the answer,
Me neither.
but it's something to think about.
Definitely something to think about.
All right, everybody.